Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on an exciting experiment to achieve the fastest germination of vegetable seeds without soil. Let's start by preparing our essentials. We'll need a shallow tray or dish, some paper towels, a variety of vegetable seeds of your choice, and a spray bottle filled with water. These simple materials will help us create a nurturing environment for our seeds to germinate. That's it. Simple, right? The idea here is to create a moist environment that mimics soil, promoting rapid germination. To start, take your shallow tray or dish and line it with paper towels. This will serve as our stand-in for soil. Once that's done, it's time to sow your seeds of choice. Whether you're partial to beans, peas, radishes, or lettuce, go ahead and scatter them across the damp paper towels. Remember, we're looking for even distribution, not a crowded field. We want each seed to have its own personal space to grow. Now that your seeds are in place, grab your spray bottle and give the towels a good misting. The goal here is to keep the paper towels damp, not drenched. This is important as too much water can lead to seed rot, which we definitely don't want. Now the waiting game begins. Keep your tray in a warm, well-lit area. Sunlight or artificial light works just fine. All right, folks, it's been 24 hours. Time to see the results. The moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. The anticipation has been mounting, and now it's time to lift the veil and reveal the magic that's been happening right under our noses. And would you believe it? Our vegetable seeds have germinated in just a day. An astounding sight to behold, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, what types of vegetables can be grown using this method? Well, the answer is quite a lot. From the crunch of beans to the sweetness of peas, the tanginess of radishes to the freshness of lettuce, this method can germinate a wide range of vegetable seeds. It's like having your very own miniature garden right on your kitchen counter. So next time you're in the mood for a gardening experiment, remember this method and let the magic unfold in just 24 hours. From beans to peas, radishes to lettuce, you name it, we've got sprouts. Now you might be wondering, why bother with this method when you can just plant seeds in soil? Well, this technique is not only quick and easy, but it's also a great way to kickstart the germination process, particularly for those of us who are a bit impatient or are working with limited space. Once your seeds have sprouted, the next step is to transplant them. This can be into soil, or, if you're feeling adventurous, into a hydroponic system. The key here is to be gentle. These sprouts are young, and their roots are delicate. Handle them with care to ensure they continue to grow and thrive. You'll want to make a small hole in your soil or hydroponic medium, then carefully place the sprout into the hole, covering the roots, but leaving the sprout exposed. Once all your sprouts are transplanted, give them a gentle watering. And there you have it, folks. The fastest germination of vegetable seeds without soil, all in just 24 hours. So go ahead, give it a try and let us know how your speedy sprouts turn out. Happy gardening!